everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, this video is finally here. You guys asked me to do a tutorial for these hair a lot. So I thought of doing a tutorial how I crimp my hair. So finally I'm doing it, and I'm gonna show you how to achieve this kind of hair. So for this I use basically this crimper. This is not of any brand particularly. I ordered it from AliExpress, and kind of cheap crimper, but really works for my hair. I love it. Nothing special about the crimper, and yeah, this is the final result, and I totally love it. And I love to do this kind of hair, especially when my hair are getting oily and I don't want to wash them. So I just crimp my hair, and suddenly they are much less oily, just because of the frizziness I get from it. But it is nice frizziness. I look good in this. I love it. And Harry sometimes say that he doesn't like the texture, especially when he feels my hair, because he says it kind of reminds him of Chadu. But the look it gives me, it's amazing. Even Harry liked the look of my hair like this. So without wasting any time, let's just go and see what I do to achieve these kind of hair. So everyone, this is my washed hair. Like, I washed them yesterday. I just put my washed hair into a bun. That's why they're a little wavy. My hair are naturally straight. They're like very straight. So yeah, and that's why I always like to have some volume, because they don't have much volume, because they're like super straight. Whenever I wash them, they're like just flat. So that's the reason I love to curl my hair. I love to crimp my hair just to get a little volume, and obviously a little change is always good for your look. So here I am to demonstrate how I get my crimped hair. So first of all, you really need to start like with tangle free hair. So this is a white tooth comb, and I use this just to like detangle my hair. The crimper I used is this one. This is basically a very normal crimper. I just got it from AliExpress. This is a very local kind of a crimper. It doesn't have any brand, and yeah, it just have on and off button, and you just have to like press this, and yeah, it can crimp your hair easily. If you're interested, I will be definitely putting the link of this crimper in the description box, because yeah, it was like really cheap. I got it like for like 800 bucks. That's it, but it does its job really good, and I'm super happy with it. And it has dual voltage. It can work from 110 voltage to 220, so that's awesome for me. Yeah, that's it for the crimper. Now let's just start with the video, and let me just show you how I do it. So I just switch on the crimper. You can see the red light here, and yeah, it just have one on and off button. Nothing complicated, nothing like no settings and everything, but yeah, it's very simple. So what I do, I divide my hair into two parts like this, left hand side and right hand side into two parts, and then I just like, you know, clip away one part so that they don't interfere into the other part. I start from back, then I work towards the front. So what I do, I just take this much section of hair, and I clip it. Like, I don't want them in between of my crimping, so I just clip it like this. And for this section, I like comb them really nicely. I make sure that they are flat, because the flatter they are, they will get more crimped. Because if I like crimp them like this, it won't give me the desired results. So I try to keep them flat like this. Then I take my crimper. It's very easy, and I just like put right like just very near to my skull, and I just like press it really hard, and I count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I release. Then I go down and I do the same step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, release. and it's quite fast. See, I'm not even counting 5 and it's all done. See, it's so quick. One more section from here and I'm gonna just repeat the steps. This is how my hair looks like after crimping, and you can definitely see the volume coming to my hair. That's it. This is how I crimp my hair, and this is the final look. I've just done my one side and you can see the amount of volume I got in my hair, and I totally love it. I think this crimp style suits me a lot. I got a lot of compliments whenever I do this hairstyle, and I completely love it. Even you guys love this hairstyle on me so much, so I really wanted to share how I do it and which crimper I use. So I'm gonna do this side quickly as well, and I'm gonna come back soon. So all my hair are done really nicely, and you can see the volume I got after the crimping. I totally love my hair. This is like my this year's favorite hairdo. I do this a lot. Even I did this when I was going to my vacation. Yeah, I love carrying these kind of hair, so totally love it. And I hope this video was helpful for you and you liked my technique. And yes, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe. If you're new to my channel, then do subscribe, and also hit the bell button so that you can get notified for my future videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.